Hi again. So this is part 2 of the video. We're back here on our stream section of Google Classroom, and here I see my first announcement. Um, if in fact you create an announcement and let's just say you forgot to add the YouTube link that you desperately wanted to add, well, all you have to do is click on these 3 little circles on the right and move to the Edit section. Click on Edit, and from here you can go back and re-edit the announcement you already made. So let's just say I wanted a Khan Academy video from YouTube, and I'll just type it in here. Perfect, and it gives you a list of all the Khan Academy videos. And you could obviously make the search more specific to the video that you want. Just for time's sake, let's just say I wanted to do a lesson on adding and subtracting fractions. So I'll click on that video, click add. After I have that, the video should appear right here as an attachment. And I would click save, and voila, your announcement has that video. Let's say you wanted to delete an announcement or delete an assignment because maybe you didn't have enough time in the day to get to it, or maybe you just want to move on and just restart and recreate a new post. You can do that by going to the same 3 dots and clicking on the delete button and delete again. And your post will disappear. Now you can see the deleted items one more time, and I think there's a 30-day period where you as the teacher can visibly see it until it disappears. And that's what this section is all about, the stream and showing the deleted items. So if I just click on that, it will show me all the deleted announcements that I made. Now the reason why there's 2 here is because I made a mistake in creating this part 2 video. So this is the second try that I'm making this video, so that's why there's 2 of the same announcements. There we go. Okay, so let's go back to the plus sign again, and this time we're going to create an assignment. Creating an assignment on Google Classroom is probably the safest way to have your students type and keep all the information that they have. The reason is every time you create an assignment on Google Classroom, it creates Google Docs for the students to work out of. If you click, so I'm going to exit out for a second. If you click on create a question, the students are replying to the question through comments on the question. Just like on Facebook, you might comment on a friend's feed or on a friend's picture. You could comment that way, and people can see your comments. The teacher can control whether the students can edit their comments or whether students can reply to each other. That's really based upon what you want to do. But these comments will not be saved automatically. So if a student were to type their comment and forgets to submit and send their comment onto the question, their answers will disappear forever. Now, going back to the assignment, I know I'm going back and forth, and I apologize if this is confusing you. On the assignment, since it creates a Google Doc for the students to work out of, it will automatically save their work. So if you're doing a writing assignment, or if you want the students to type up a paragraph or a few sentences, I highly suggest using the assignment instead of doing the question when you're working through Google Classroom. Not only that is it safer for the students to save their work, but also you can constantly observe what they're doing and what they're writing if they're in a Google Doc. What this does for the teacher is it actually creates a folder in your Google Drive, and the Google Classroom just as a nice way organizes all the documents that your students work on in one nice, neat folder in your drive. So you don't always have to look for papers. It's all in one folder on your Google Drive. So let's create an assignment. Let's just say for the title, we'll do test run. And instructions, let's just say write 3 complete sentences about your feelings on Google Classroom. After I write the instructions to my assignment, I can click here and create a due date on this drop-down calendar, or I could also choose not to have a due date and have no due date. It's really up to the teacher and what they want to do. Again, here you can create a topic, or you can choose a topic that's already been created. Let's go ahead and create a topic. Let's just say that this is writing. And similar to the question that I talked about earlier, excuse me, not the question, the announcement, you can provide a link, Google Drive link, YouTube video, or a regular website link. Now you could delete this whole post altogether by clicking on this trash can button. And also click assign if you want to assign it now, or perhaps you want to assign it at a later date. So you'll just press schedule, click on the date that you like, let's just say the 23rd, and you can type in time you want them, you want Google Classroom to post this assignment, and click on schedule. And so this post is scheduled for October 23rd at 9 a.m. As you notice, you don't see, or you will not see, that post we just created on your stream because it's not October 23rd yet. The post is up here under saved posts, and it should be on the top of your stream. And because I only scheduled one assignment so far, I only have one saved post, and I can access it here and always edit it. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to create a question. And what I like to do in this section is use this section for the Wonders essential question, a weekly essential question, and I type it in here, and the students can respond to that question and answer the question and the prompt that I give them. So I'll ask the same question on here that I did on the assignment. What are your feelings? Or something similar. I don't remember exactly what I just said, even though it was just 2 minutes ago. What are your feelings about Google Classroom? Please write at least 2 complete sentences. Same thing here. You can create a due date or not create a due date, a topic, and voila, the topic that I created in my last assignment appears again. Let's just say I want to create another topic. Let's say math. I could click on math. And here I can actually choose if I want a short answer or a multiple choice. Now the instructions say 2 complete sentences, so I'll keep this as short answer. But let's actually change this so it is actually a math problem. Let's see. What is 2 times 2? Please solve this multiplication problem and show your